22 years later, many families of the victims still feel denied of justice.
We have had no justice for the murder of our loved ones.
Terry Strada lost her husband Tom and some 20 friends who were all on the North Tower on 9/11.
Tom is just missed tremendously by his children. They were 7, 4, and 4 days old on September 11th.
Strada says the anniversary is painfully difficult every single year. But this year, she says, it's even worse because of a Pentagon letter sent to victims' families last month. It informs them that plea deals are being explored for the terror attack's alleged mastermind and 4 of his co-conspirators, seeking to have them accept criminal responsibility for their actions and plead guilty in exchange for not receiving the death penalty.
I am extremely upset by the idea that after 20 years of waiting for a trial, that this could all be taken away from us.
The prosecution of Khalid Sheikh Mohammed and 4 other Guantanamo Bay detainees has long been troubled by legal challenges, particularly over the fact that the men were repeatedly tortured while interrogated in CIA custody in the early 2000s.
They were detained for years in secret CIA black sites where they were subjected to waterboarding and other torture.
Legal expert Jonathan Hayfitz says the torture and the creation of flawed military tribunals in the wake of 9/11 have forced the U.S. government's hands today.
It's the military commissions have failed, and it's the torture that have basically led to the plea negotiations as being the only way out to get a resolution of the case, other than the defendants basically languishing in jail for the rest of their lives and just dying without any judgment against them.
Last week, President Biden rejected a list of proposed conditions sought by the 5 Guantanamo Bay defendants, but negotiations have not ended. In a statement to Scripps News, the White House says it is committed to ensuring that the military commission's process is fair and delivers justice to the victims, survivors, families, and those accused of crimes. Pre-trial hearings in the war court at Guantanamo Bay have been on hold while officials assess one of the defendants' mental competence to stand trial. Hearings are set to resume on September 18th. Ben Chamiso, Scripps News.